Alright, so besides showing love to my Forester, I haven't been showing love to my 8th gen Accord. That is my V6 6-speed. The first love of my life, or second technically. Today I'm just gonna try to change up some the interior a little bit. It's just a shift knob. Come watch me install this shift knob, and we're gonna go to my car. So this is my Accord 6-speed manual transmission. The fastball and NASCAR, the one and only. Let me pry this out and we'll get started. Just remove the old shift knob. This is the new one. It's an eBay moving shift knob. I don't know how much different it's gonna feel, but let's see. I ordered another piece for it too. Thought we did Forester. So when I take out the shift boot holder, I can hold this in place. Right here, so lift this up, then I gotta pull this up. Hopefully it should come out. We got the whole center console out. I was able to unplug the heated seats plug and the lighter plug. Here, I gotta put this back on protection. Yo, just like that, we got the new shift knob and the boot holder in place. Let's take it for a spin to see how it feels. Too bad. On top of that, looks great. Turn my headlights on. Not bad, not bad. Nice small ball. Perfect for my nice small hands. Yeah, you ever seen that? Shifting with the left hand? Because your right hand got a camera.